kind of what you can expect when you work together with us. You can expect similar results like this in the first month, and then we will change the strategy, and then we will do usually around 2, 3, 4, 5k profit a month within a few months. We have a certain strategy which is called product substitution, which basically means that we copy a title of a product and we find a similar or the same product for cheaper, and then we use this title to undercut our competitor. Right now, every account that starts with a 500k limit, and we want to get this up. The way you get this up is when you go close to the limit. It will like basically instantly go to 1 million limit.
Alright, what's up guys? Mark Augustine here, and in this video I have Euron, where what we're going to do is go over an account that we manage, a basically case study. But Euron, you want to introduce yourself really quickly?
Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Euron, and yeah, I manage some eBay accounts. We run them, operate everything on it for other people. Well, they do nothing, and yeah, we're just here to discuss one of these accounts, right?
Right. So if you guys are seeing this, you may have seen a couple of videos we've done before. These case studies should give you an idea what's possible if you have the time to put in working 8 hours a day, 7 days a week, or if you want us to manage your account as well. But you could just get some estimates from the listings, the profit margins, the actual profits and sales from the age of the accounts to see if what you're doing at home is working for you, or if you want to work with us to build the eBay dropshipping business. So
right, yeah.
Share your own.
Yeah, I'll just share my screen. Yeah, I'll just talk a little bit about like how we operate. As you guys know, perhaps maybe not, we have a certain strategy which is called product substitution, which basically means that we copy a title of a product and we find a similar or the same product for cheaper, and then we use this title to undercut our competitor. One of the strategies that we use on accounts that are pretty new with us. So we because for example, this account was completely new, so we want to warm them up pretty steadily.
And that's actually the same process you did. I think the video on your channel that you did that has the most views is showing how to do product substitution.
Right, yeah.
I'll also put a link in the description. If you guys want to see the actual process that he just explained, I'll put a link in the description to that video. But go ahead here.
Right, so on this account, we do it manually, and it has, I can't show that right now because it will show the name. I mean, I guess it could be edited out, right? So like you can see it has a 100% satisfaction rate from customers, 121 reviews. So the reason why we do this is because we just slowly want to get up like the amount of orders we get, and so it builds quote unquote trust with eBay. And
how long have we been managing this account?
So this account we have for about a month now, and soon we will actually change this to a different strategy as well, because what we want to do is we want to increase the limits as well, because right now every account that starts with a 500k limit, and we want to get this up. The way you get this up is when you go close to the limit. It will like basically instantly go to 1 million limit of the value of the items. The amount of items that you can list has this maximum 1 million, right? But for now it's doing pretty steady. It's not that crazy. It's just in the month so far, it does like it's like 800, and with the amount of orders that need to be fulfilled, it's going to be like 900, a bit less than 20% profit margin. But yeah, we will change this strategy, and this is kind of what you can expect when you work together with us. You can expect similar results like this in the first month. And then we will change the strategy, and we will.
Some of the results will be closer to the other. Like we have accounts that we show that we've been managing for 2 months, 3 months, and so on.
Yeah, in the end, it's the goal.
If you look at those videos, I remember in those videos the number of listings. Like for instance, with this account, it's 1,871 listings, right? The biggest account that we did recently had like 22,000 listings. So the necessity for listings, like you have to grow the account first, huh?
Yes, exactly. And at the same time, we're also working on a tool that's going to automate this process, which will make it a lot easier for us to actually, get product substitutions as our listings. And so in that sense, like that's in the end the goal, right? Because with very little listings, this account makes actually pretty decent money. So the idea is that we can replicate this to have little listings and make a lot of money, right? Our agency is fairly new. We're optimizing as we go, but this is a more realistic, perhaps, expectation from like the first month or so, and then we will scale it to usually around 2, 3, 4, 5K profit a month within a few months as well, right? So yeah, that's what you can get when you work together with us, pretty much.
Okay, guys. So if you have any questions about what could happen or how we has done this, I'll put a link in the description to my calendar. If you want to work directly with us, I'll put a link to the application. It's not for every single one of you guys, but like and subscribe. Anything you want to say before we go, you're on?
Yeah, I mean the thing is like we're right now, like we have a certain price to work together with us, right? But like this will only increase with time, so we have limited amount of spots. So if you have any interest, please reach out to us and we'll see what we can do.
Okay, great. Yeah, guys, and the reason why like the price goes up and so on, the systems are put in place, the employees that are trained, there's custom software, like proprietary software is not accessible to the public that our clients get access to, and that is kind of why the spaces are limited. So we look forward to working with a couple of you guys. So like and subscribe. Have a good one.